morning, everyone.
Second is Dhanasri Patil.
Good morning, everyone.
You hold it here. You have given to me. Hold it.
The third is M. Satvika.
Good morning.
Whose birthday is today? Any birthday boy or girl here today? So I request CC committee to find out who are the birthday boys and wish them. Even if you wish happy birthday, if you do not sing, we have to sing the birthday song. But we at the same time we want the things to be moved quickly. So we'll see that how to do that. Today nobody is having the birthday. So anyway, can you get a fourth boy from the line? Who is Amrit here? Amrit Kaur. Very good, very good. Sit down. Girls, can you tell who is Yash Patil? No, who will say? Can you say? That girl? आप बेटा? हाँ आप बताओ. हैं? Yash, it is Yash Pandey, no? Yash, eh? No, Yash Pandey. Who is Yash Pandey? Okay, very good. Very good. I am very happy. It may not be there, but we'll give you a chance to know them. So, dear children, wish you best of luck. You know, you are strengthening the system of Indian democratic election system. It's a basics. So, I am thankful to my teachers as well as to the management, Jay sir, who had last year approved this system where we involve the children, selection come election process. So you should know what is an election. So basics you know of election. So please see, you choose the best, use your brain. Don't say he is my neighbor or he was good to me or she was good to me. No. See who is the best for the school. And this is what you have to do for your country. You have to take the best, even if your brother is in the election. If you feel somebody is better than my brother, then you should vote for the better person. Always keep that in your mind. That is the basics of election. And you have to form an attitude so that it continues. After some time you are going to vote for. That is I think that will be the biggest event in your life immediately coming out of the school. That will be the biggest event in your life. So you should prepare for that mentally and have that attitude. Keep your observations, try to know the people, try to see them. And I am telling you all this, best of luck. We do not know who will be vice captain, who will be. But please be happy. There is a system involved here. You will be given some responsibility, and this process is approved by CBSE. All CBSE schools have to do this. Investiture ceremony, we have to send a report to CBSE authorities, to the chairman CBSE, sir, we have done it because this is a letter, orders from them. Children to be prepared for administrative jobs. These children will be studying and helping school in run the system. This is the best part of CBSE. You can see that there are so many systems of education. CBSE is the foremost, doing everything right from CCE to any. So many activities are there. So you should be very happy that you are part of that system. When you, in your later life, when you will be a fully responsible citizen, then you will come to know that yes, I am happy that I am contributing to my country. That spirit should be there. So I'll tell one thing to all of you only. Please select the best, because those children are going to be the leaders here between the teachers, management and students. There is one more now group, their group. You have to follow their instructions, you have to give them respect. Today they are here, tomorrow you can be here. So that mutual respect we should always have. If we do not have that, then we cannot run a system. To all of you, after you are selected, whatever procedure is being followed here, kindly see that you give your best without seeing that your studies are. Yesterday I had an interaction with 6 of them in my chamber, and I told sharing additional responsibilities will deprive me of studies or I will lose in studies. So I told you can speak on this, you can write on this. So they have spoken on that. Some of them agreed. 2 agreed, yes sir. When we take up the responsibility of school captain, it's an additional work. But 4 of them said no, it is not additional work, it's a part of the work, it is a part of the school curriculum. So there will be no loss of studies. If there is any loss of studies, we will compensate it. Both groups did very well. And they are subjected to very tough process. And I think their names will be declared after this is over. It has to be approved by management. I have told you on that in my assembly. Anything which goes here has to be the approval of management. And that is the criteria of all CBSE schools in India. And once management approves, we will execute them. So this is one thing to all of you who are studying here. Please note that don't feel that you are selected, you are superiors. You have to be extremely humble, you have to be extremely patient, and you have to get the things done. You have not to lose the temper. You have not to show dictatorial behavior that I have got absolute power with me. It is not like that. Have you understood? Power is with you, but how judiciously you have to utilize that will reflect what is your thinking. Have you understood?
Yes.
While you people have to implement certain things in the teachers given in the diary. Have you read that? But you cannot directly do that. You have to take teachers into confidence. They will tell you yes. If they tell you to write in any of the children's diary, what you have to write, how politely you have to write, that all these things you are supposed to know and your teachers will tell you. Okay? And last one, don't feel that we cannot be remote. Please note. I have told you we have got a very high class evaluation system, very high class observation system. We get report from you, from the children, from the teachers, from the juniors. We will ask them. There are cameras to monitor your behavior. You should be the role models now. Have you understood? Whosoever will be there, but all of you are going to get some other important job. So best of luck and help in running school system in a better way. All of you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.